welcome in this English vocabulary session. It belongs to class 5, book English reader, lesson first named Menka. Let us enjoy it. It is of 5 columns. First column involves new words, second column involves pronunciation of given words, and third column involves Hindi meaning of each given word, and fourth column involves English meaning of each given word, and fifth column involves usage of each given word. Let us enjoy it with proper attention. First, first new word is challenging. Spelling Challenging. Challenging. Its correct pronunciation is challenging. हिंदी मीनिंग चुनौतीपूर्ण या कठिन. English meaning difficult. Uses. The path leading to the mountain was challenging and steep. Now come to second new word, steep. S-T-E-E-P. Steep. Correct pronunciation is steep. Hindi meaning बहुत ढालुआ. And erect. English meaning erect or sloppy. Uses. The path was steep. Next new word is caravan. Correct pronunciation is caravan. In Hindi it means कारवां या यात्री समूह. English meaning a company of travelers on a journey. Uses. In a caravan of travelers to this festival was a girl named Menka. Now come to next new word, casting. Correct pronunciation is casting. Spelling C-A-S-T-I-N-G. Casting. And Hindi meaning prakshep. English meaning projection. Uses in sentence. The sun rays were filtering through the trees and casting shadows on the ground. Now come to next word, that is sympathy. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y. Correct pronunciation is sympathy. Hindi meaning sahanubhuti. English meaning pity or feeling of support or agreement. Use in sentence. A man felt sympathy for Menka. Next word is devotion. D-E-V-O-T-I-O-N. Devotion or devotion. Hindi meaning निष्ठा या लगन या समर्पण. English meaning loyalty or the act of giving a lot of your time and energy to someone. Uses in sentence. The man was moved by Menka's love and devotion to her brother. Next word is journey. J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. Journey. Correct pronunciation is journey. Hindi meaning yatra. English meaning traveling. And used in sentence is it was a nice journey. Next word is siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Correct pronunciation is siblings. Hindi meaning bhai bahan. And its English meaning is brother and sister. Used in sentence. Menka and Shahil were nice siblings. In this way you enjoyed vocab session. Now come to enjoy question and answer session step by step. Let us participate in this question and answer session. Question A. Fill in the blanks. There was an annual festival that was celebrated on a mountain. Actually, this is blank part and it has been filled up as an answer. Consequently, it becomes there was an annual festival that was celebrated on a mountain. Second, it was surrounded by a dense forest of fir and pine trees. So you need to fill the word fir and pine in your given blank. Third, Sahil had straight hair, black eyes, and a face as fresh as dew. You need to write a straight hair and black eyes in this given blank. Fourth, every year the villagers went up the long steep path. Fifth, he approached and asked gently, "My child, why are you carrying this boy on your back?" Now come to enjoy successive questions answer B. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Describe the path through the mountain. Answer. The path throughout the mountain was challenging and steep. It was surrounded by a dense forest of fir and pine trees. Question number 2. Why did people from the village go up the mountain? Answer. They went there to celebrate annual festival. Question number 3. Describe Sahil. Answer. Sahil was a 4-year-old young boy. He had straight hair, black eyes, and a face as fresh as dew. Question number 4. Where would Menka and Sahil's parents join them? Answer. Their parents would join them at the mountain during annual festival. Now, continue to next page. Question number 5. What did the man ask Menka? Answer. The man asked Menka, "Why are you carrying this boy on your back? Don't you feel his weight?" Question number C. Think and answer. If you saw Menka and Sahil climb up the path, then what would you do? Answer. In such situation, I would definitely help her in getting climbed up her brother on the desired mountain. Must note it down and get checked. And at last, must comment positively for next video. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.